Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the David Christopher's channel. I'm Jen.
I'm David.
And we are back with a great idea today that David has that he wants to share with you. But before we jump into that, one quick little update for you is David had an echocardiogram on his heart, and that all checked out great, right?
They called me. I haven't gotten the results.
Call them back.
Do the video.
You need to call back about your results.
They keep calling at the wrong time.
Oh my goodness, I thought they told you
probably
there.
put this on silent.
I thought they told you at the appointment that
She said it looked good, but she's not the person that reads the.
Oh my goodness. So anyway.
She just draws the picture and then somebody else interprets it, I guess.
Okay. Well, I guess we're still waiting. I prematurely spoke. But speaking of hearts, David's going to turn this grapevine wreath into a heart. And we are not going to waste any more time talking about his actual heart. And we're going to jump right into it.
So, just crazy idea. I was like, it's February 1st. We're getting close to Valentine's Day just for fun. Never tried this before, but we're going to try and turn a round wreath into a heart-shaped wreath using tulips. Because, it's spring. It is here kind of anyway. So, we're going to try that.
It's not spring here.
Close enough.
Okay.
So I will be gluing my tulips in, but I have pre-cut them so you don't have to sit there and listen to all of my dipping things in. It's the joys of being next to a train track. Yeah, take 37. So, gosh, it's glowing down again. I don't know what's happening. There's more. It's like a little convoy of train things. Anyway, so I'm going to be cutting I already cut my stems so that you don't have to listen to me or watch me do that. And I am going to be dipping those in my glue pan. So we are going to be gluing those in. And we're going to start from the middle. And we're just going to bend these kind of down. And we're going to go this direction around the wreath. While we listen to some kind of weird train car that constantly haunts this one. And we're going to be mixing 3 colors, so, oh my gosh. I really do this when we try to video. Every time.
filming, or they weren't even full trains. They were just little.
No, there were little carts that work on the train track, but there was like 100 of them, and they kept like, I think they just enjoy honking the horns as they pass.
It's probably fun.
Yeah.
So the video was a little fast, but hopefully you get the idea of covering your whole wreath with tulips. And as always, you can check out the link in the description to find the tulips that were used in today's video. Any other tips and tricks that you want to share, since you didn't really get to tell people what you were doing?
Well, just because you don't have a heart-shaped grapevine wreath does not mean that you can't make whatever shape your hearts desire.
That's right.
I'm using corny.
We're always corny. What's new?
Yeah. So, but just because you have a shape doesn't mean you can't create another shape with it. So just keep that in mind as you use things like grapevine wreaths.
Yeah.
You can always alter, just depends on your imagination and what you intend to do with it.
And we're going to say goodbye so David can call his doctor back, and we will have some updates for you regarding that next time, but I think he's fine at this point.
But you're still going to make me go back for more tests, aren't you?
Yes, just to make sure. Because I love you. I want to make sure you're here with us a long
I
time.
want me to get more life insurance, right?
Till next time, bye. Call your doctor.
Yeah.